So questions then being asked, looking for answers inside of this courtroom. That gets us to our courtside docket for today, and we're taking a look at the question of a sole survivor. Got a couple of good friends spending some time with us here in New York. Always glad to have them with us. In our studios, George Von Velakis, a former Manhattan prosecutor, currently a New York-based criminal defense attorney, private practice here. This seems to be one of those pieces of evidence that both sides can seize on here. Let me ask you first to look at it from the prosecutor's perspective, all right? He's saying, I've lost my friend fell over the boat, and he's being told, okay, stay right there. And he's saying, hey, you know what? I'm not staying here. I got some bad weather going on here. Basically, I got to get out of here. How does the prosecution use that?
Well, in two ways. The first way would be, why did you wait 20 minutes to call? And the second would be, why aren't you willing to stay where it was? Are you trying to hide something? Now, I don't know what the something is, but that's where I'd go if I was the prosecutor.
And George, if you're the defense here, how do you take this 911 phone call and turn it around somehow to use it for your benefit?
Well, he made it clear that he was in shallow waters, that it was dangerous for him to stay there, and he was pretty adamant that he had to get out of there. It wasn't something that he conjured up later on. He stated it clearly there on the phone call, you know, no one could later claim that he made this up, that he had to get out of there, and thus the body was found at a different location.
All right, so again, as we see oftentimes inside a courtroom, something that can be helpful for one side, also some arguments can be turned around, be useful for the other side.